Hello, I'm Sean from Yuuma Japanese Restaurant. Welcome back to our Yuuma Pro TV channel. Today we're gonna make sushi. So we're gonna do two kind of sushi today. One is the spicy tuna. The other one we use balsamic teriyaki chicken, and we're gonna use them to make temaki. So temaki is actually a hand roll, which is in triangle shape. It's really easy to make, just with hands. You don't need any equipment to go with this, and it is a very delicate things in Japanese cuisine, sushi. But at home we just want to have fun, so let's see how we can do a temaki. So today ingredient we got spicy tuna, also the balsamic chicken teriyaki. So we use the spicy aioli and also the balsamic teriyaki. And the ingredient here we got also the cooked tuna, which you can use the canned tuna as well. We can use the chicken thigh, and I cut into strips. And we got some spring onion, mescalin salad, also cucumber and onion as well. Then we're gonna start with the preparation. So I'm gonna dice a fine diced onion. Then I'm gonna mix in the onion into the tuna and also spring onion. So inside the tuna, we're gonna put in some of the spicy aioli. So this spicy aioli is rich in garlic flavor, creamy, and also with hints of spicy. So this is how we want it to be. Just want to evenly mix in all the ingredients together, and that's ready to go for rolling the sushi. So now I'm gonna cut the cucumber. I'm gonna slice it into thinly sliced. The next step we're gonna do is to cook the chicken. So we're gonna heat up the pan first. So onto the pan, oil, chicken. So we golden brown the chicken. When it's partially cooked or already half cooked, that's the time where we want to add in the sauce. So the sauce that we're gonna use for the chicken today is the balsamic teriyaki. So this is very, it's acidity and balance of fruity flavor, and also got some of the sweetness from the teriyaki sauce. And this sauce is good for any meat, or even on fish like salmon as well. So once the chicken cook, then you can put press on the chicken. It's already cooked. That's it. We want to leave it aside to cool down. Okay. Now we're gonna mix the sushi rice. So we need to get this rice cooked really hot straight away from the rice cooker, and then pour in the vinegar straight away. So we're gonna also evenly pour in the vinegar into everywhere of the sushi rice. Then we're gonna start mixing. Now I'm using only 3 cups of rice with 100 milliliters of sushi vinegar. What we want when we're mixing the sushi rice is to evenly coat the vinegar and not to break the sushi rice as well. Just need to cool down the rice a little bit to body temperature. Today we have a special guest. We invite Jasmine to join us today to make the sushi together. So Jasmine, have you made sushi before?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
So Jasmine, first we need to wet our hand. So we dip our hand into the water, make sure it's moist, and then we put the nori onto our left hand, and then dip our right hand with some water, and then we pick up the sushi rice. Just play on the finger, yeah, like this, maybe a little bit more, yeah, yeah, and then we put it onto the sushi rice, the sushi seaweed. Okay?
Okay.
Then we press down. Yeah. Then on this one we're gonna make spicy tuna. So the cucumber. Yep. Then the spicy tuna. All good? Then with your thumb, we roll it. Get the seaweed. Roll the seaweed, yeah. Then make sure this end is touching this side. Yes, yes, you're doing very good. Then we keep rolling. Yeah. 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 Yes, you're doing good. Okay. So from here, right, we just want to give it a little bit sushi rice and smash it. So this one is just like a glue to stick the seaweed together. So that's our temaki.
Temaki. Hope you enjoyed doing sushi with us today. If you do, please like and subscribe our channel today. See you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed doing sushi today with us. If you do, please like and subscribe. No, wait, like and share our channel. Okay. Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
Like and share. Like and subscribe.
subscribe, yeah.
Subscribe. Okay. Hope you enjoyed doing sushi with us today. If you do, please like and subscribe our channel today. Like and subscribe. It's like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. Okay. Hope you Hope you enjoyed doing sushi with us today. If you do, please like and subscribe our channel today.
See you next time.
See you next time.